Hello DigiByte community. In this opportunity we're going to learn how to download and install the binaries for DigiByte Desktop. So now, for this we'll need to go to the digibytedesktop.org website, and on the top right corner here you're going to see the Release tab button. Just click it and it's going to redirect you to the GitHub page, or the GitHub release page. There's listed all the versions available for the software. In this case the last one is the one on top, which is version 1.1. If I go a little bit down, we're going to see the older versions. Now, in this version, we have available for the Windows installer the .x file. So if we go down here to Assets, we download the one that ends up on executable. If we click it, we're going to download it to the system, and you just need to execute it once it finished the download. Now, when you click it, it's probably going to trigger a warning. That's because this application is not signed by an official Microsoft publisher. Just click on More Info. You'll see here that it's an unknown publisher, but just click on Run anyways. That's going to install the program in your system. It's going to take a few seconds, and it's going to automatically start the application. And that's it. Now you have DigiByte Desktop installed.